Here is SLIDEBOX app, photo cleaner app, photo swipe, delete, organizer. So you can see here in the charts, organize and clean up your photos with SLIDEBOX, the ultimate photo cleaner and album organizer. SLIDEBOX make managing your photos quick, easy, and satisfying. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a neatly organized library with just a swipe, whether you're looking to delete photos or just organize. Organize album or compare duplicate photos. SLIDEBOX is your go-to photo guru for fast and effortless photo cleanup. Delete photos, album organize, compare similar photos, favorite moments, and do actions. So it works directly with the Photos app, so any changes you make will sync seamlessly across your iPhone and iCloud. So yeah, that's the idea. As you can see, that's quite high in the charts, and there are like hundreds of apps like this, but this seems to be quite a good app. And then you can just open it up. And you can just allow, then you can just have some, and then as you can see easily, you can see all of these photos. You can see photos, timeline, you can see albums, you can see more, and then you can just start organizing. So you can see recent, so for example screenshots, and then you just tap swipe to the right or swipe to the left. If you swipe to the right, you just delete it, and then you just go like this through photo. So it's super quick way to kind of organize it. Yeah, it's still not completely automatic. You still need to do all of the things. Yeah, you still need to do a lot of the things yourself. So, but yeah, that's kind of the app.